What is going on, guys? So today we got a Bengoo. This guy here, headphones, programming, uh, G9000. It's a gaming pro headphones from Bengoo. Bengoo, I don't know, something like that. Gold plated 3.5mm 4-pin plug, compatible with laptop, PC, mobile, PS4, Xbox One, and tablet. It's good to know. Where we got on the back here. Alright, so product parameters. Speaker size 40 millimeters. Sensitivity, Yep, we'll just tell you a bunch of specs, which, I mean, so here's the jacks for the audio and microphone. Booklet. Oh, that's a nice little wire. Let's see, there's a USB, and the jack, the audio jack. For the headphones. Let's see. Excuse me, I'm still a little tired here. So these here, they feel a little cheap. How does this feel? Okay, that don't feel too bad. The wire feels pretty good. This feels pretty good. Cheap plastic. Let's see how it feels on the head here. Kind of small. Kind of noise canceling because of all the padding and stuff. So yeah. Other than that, it don't hurt. It feels pretty good. Yeah. I think it feels pretty good. Alright. So I'll show you the specs real quick on the back of the box here. Hopefully you guys can see that. If not, there's a lot of least important specs, like the sensitivity and microphone and sensitivity and all that good stuff. Yeah. I mean, the reviews on it says it's a pretty damn good headphone. So we'll see. We'll see. I want to put that back in there. All right. That's it for the headphones. Not much to see. I mean, it's just pair of headphones. It felt pretty good on the head. Ain't much more to go on by that. All right. Thank you guys for watching. stay tuned for more, because there's going to be an unboxing of the CPU cooler and the live stream.